From my home, Chamundi Hill is 15 kilometer. So I started driving from my home, and you can see that's beautiful roads of Mysore. As we will enter that hill road, there will be lots of greenery, and we will get this entrance main gate. From this gate, hill will start. So it's a small hill. So that's why you can see that other bike persons or motorist is going through. You will see in between that bus also, because bus facility is available for Chamundi Hill. And you will see that Chamundeswari Darsana. I will show you inside places also. So please be with me till end. Any minister or any celebrity or any that's a prominent person in Karnataka, if they are getting anything, they will definitely come to Chamundi Hill. So roads are here well maintained on the hill. You can see that's it's a smooth driving and beautiful greenery both sides of that road and as well as you can see that's from both sides Mysore city also. At the entry only, they made the Mahishasura statue. Mahishasura is the demon whom that Chamundeswari Durga Devi killed. So its name is Chamundi Hill. So as here I am inside that temple complex. Parking is outside actually, but since that's a government vehicle or my husband is in government, so we got up to here. But when you will come, generally you will not get up to here. You have to park a vehicle in parking, then you have to come through that market road. So there's lots of things are there, small things. As that you can say, that's a carnival. So if kids are there, you can buy the things, or you want to buy the gifts for your friends or relative, you can buy that. So that will be that's walking path. And if you are coming by bus and all that, then they will leave you outside only. You have to walk through whole road up to temple. This is your end of the walking path. So as I said initially, that here 1008 steps are there, and that route is different. If you are coming, that you have to come through that route, and you have to climb 1008 steps. So this is the end of that steps. Here lotus is important, and what's coconut, and as well as they are selling saris also. Chamuli sari, if you want to offer, you can get these prasad items here. Hey friends, so on the demand of one of my viewer, I am here on the Chamundi Hill. So I will make today detailed video of Chamundi Hill. So I drove my car to Chamundi Hill. So now I reached and in front of the temple you can see that this is a Gopura outside. This is made in 17th century by Wadiyars. This internal temple made in that 12th century, and that is a Hoysala architecture. But this is a outside temple made in 17th century. That is in Dravidian architecture. Temple is there and made by the Mysore Maharaja or Vijayanagara state. That time it was there. And this Chamundeswari, this it is religious value is what? It is out of one of 18 Shaktipeeth. It is one. Here of Parvati Mata, Sati Mata fallen. So this is a very sacred space and The Chamundeswari is that Kul Devi of a royal family. So that's why also it's important. So another story of Chamundeswari is there. That's this city of that's Mysore. But previous name was the Mysasur Uru. That's Mysasur name. That's Demon was ruling here. He was the king of that this place. So Chamundeswari Devi was that killed that Mysasur. So 10 days biggest fight was there, and on this place on the hill that Mata Parvati or Durga Devi killed Mahishasura. So his Mata another name is the Mahisa Mardini, and Mahishasura statue is there. And this hill also, if you will see, that's another side of that side, it's like a body lying, and that people are saying that is a Mahishasura body. This hill was known as the Mahabala Hill, and here ancient and oldest temple is Mahabaleshwara temple, which I will show you later. I have to go there and I will show you. The Nandi statue is there. That is also that's established by that's warriors. And when we will come, that's climbing by steps, and here 1008 steps are there. Then we will get on the 700th step. We will get that Nandi temple. I will show you later. So be with me in the video. And if you not subscribe my channel new here, then please subscribe and like the video. So backside of the temple, inside the temple only, that we will get the Laddu Prasadam. You can buy it, and other Prasadam is also available. For the Darshana, nowadays rush was not there. In season rush will be there. Then you can buy tickets. But now you can get the free darshan. You can see very thin line is there. You can get darshan easily. So this is another side of the temple. I will show you temple from all directions. So I am taking a round. Be with me. After Darshana, when I came outside, then I got this Babaji, and I thought, okay, whatever that's black magic najar is there, bhagado. Or by the way, I am only the Kali Ma, so I am giving that Asirvada here. Okay, guys, just for fun. So guys, I am going to Mahabaleshwara temple. That's previously this hill was known as Mahabala, and here that oldest temple is a Mahabaleshwara temple. It's a Mahabaleshwara temple. Archaeological site is there. These are very old temples here. Oldest one is a Mahabaleshwara temple. So I had Darshana. Inside temple, we cannot take photography or videography. So back to Mahabaleshwara temple, there is a Narayan Swami temple. So here inside I taken some videos because temple was closed. So could not have darsana but went inside. So I will show you. So it's a timing is there. Evening it will be open maybe. I was some 4 o'clock, so it was closed. So just I went and did namaskara. So after parking your vehicle, the whole route, you will get these shops. So route will not be boring. You can walk, you can shop, you can see that, or at least you can enjoy that colorful things. Yeah. So this is a waste course. What we can see from the Chamundi Hill, and now I am going back through the Lalit Mahal Palace Road. If you not subscribe my channel new here, then please subscribe and like the video.